Hey guys, we're here with Winston. He's got a story to tell us.
Hi there, I'm Winston, your friendly neighborhood hamster. Today is the last day before winter. Roseanne, I'm gonna go get some surfing in before I have to batten down my house. Wee! Whoa! La fa fa fa! Hippie! Woo-hoo!
He's having
Woo-hoo!
fun, isn't he?
Mean! I love sand surfing. It is time to start heading back home. Along the way, I run with my buddy Paul, the porcupine. I tell how much fun it was surfing today, and he was chatting up by how he is ready for a nice winter break. I hurried quickly to batten down the house, gearing up, helmet and harness and all. You must be safe. I pour myself some coffee and then I've settled in, watching the weather forecast. Man, this winter, it's going to be a cold one. I find many things to keep myself busy while I'm cooped up. Ironing my bandanas. Hey, a hamster cannot be without his bandana.
That's true.
Then I polish me snowboard. Pump some iron. Gotta keep these little muscles strong. And we must not forget video games. And plenty of them. Well, guys, that was so much fun. I want to thank you for watching. If you would, please like and subscribe. It would mean us so much to Gail and Dell.
Thank you for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one.